What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at a trade I took on EURJPY for roughly 100 pips with a 30 pip stop loss. So the first thing that I noticed was on the daily time frame. We can see that if we look at this area right here, that we did have a very strong level that had been respected on both sides. You can see that it had been respected here. You can see right here with this wick and all of these wicks over here when price returns to it again right here, as well as all of these right here and all of these right here. And as we return to it, you can see that price is respecting it. So in my mind, I was looking for a sell because we are currently under this level that has been respected. And as we come closer and closer to the level, you'll see that price starts rejecting away from this level harder and harder. So I was automatically looking for a sell. When we go down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see how structure starts to shift as it's getting rejected away from this level right here. You can see how price is making these higher highs and higher lows right here, and then you can see how price makes this level right here, which is being respected. Let me just get rid of that. You can see this level that is being respected, but you'll notice that when price makes this final touch right here, we break that level that had been made. So we know that we are about to what? We're about to change structure because this level right here has been broken. So once that happens, what are we looking for? We're looking for a retracement. So we're looking for price to pull back from that level that it just broke right here, and then that's where we'll start looking for entries. So we'll go down to the 1-hour time frame to start getting a little bit more detail on what's going on. So you'll see right here, as price is moving down, we start creating these little levels right here and right here, and then on its way back up, we also get this level right here. And this might not mean very much to you right now, but as price is creating these levels, there is a lot of people already selling, right? Because they're looking at this from a much smaller time frame, right? They're looking at the market structure from right here, and they see this as the retracement. But we know that the higher time frames control the movements, and everything on the lower time frames is just solely there for your entry. So if you're doing all of your trading off the hour, you're gonna start getting psyched out. So we notice that all of these pockets are right here, all of these levels, and there is money sitting above these because these people are selling, so they're placing their stop losses above here. So what happens? You can see that price shoots up and takes out all 3 of these levels right here. So all of their money is gone, all of their money is gone, and all of their money is gone. So once I see that, I start paying attention to the price action, and we can see, let me just get rid of some of this. You can see that we have this extremely large wick right here, which was what took out all of those levels. And then you can see that price is trying to push back up, but it can't seem to get anywhere, any more upward movement. So then we get this candle right here. We see that price rejects. This is where I took mine, because if we go to a lower time frame, like maybe the 15-minute, let's see. You can see that we ended up creating a new level right here, and price is just retesting that level right there. So that's why I went ahead and took my trade on this little gray candle right here. So you can see that I took my trade on this candle right here. That little arrow is from TradingView because I did place my trade through TradingView. And then we can see that price did come back up a little bit and retest this area before tanking all the way down to our take profit. We just get rid of all of this, which is right here. And the reason we choose this as our take profit is because of this level right here. We can see that this is directly underneath where that retracement started, and anything after that, price could have just continued to go up. Who knows? So I just got out of the trade. I could have easily held it. We can see that we had a lot of money sitting right here that also got wicked out with this, and then price continued to go down. So I probably could have caught another 100 pips, but it's better to be safe than sorry. You know, that money's never yours until you close the trade and you take it out of your broker's account. So this was a pretty simple trade. I tried to break it down a little bit more than I usually do, but that is the main reasoning why I took this trade. Like I said, I took my trade somewhere up here. I had my stop loss up here, and I had my take profit down here. Like I said, I could have just stayed in for this right here and caught this other move, but You guys know me, I'm not a huge double dipper. I just like to get in and out of the market. So if you have any questions or need any help with anything, go ahead and drop a comment below and I will be more than happy to help you out. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Pew, pew.